What's up, y'all? Excuse the white mud on my face and hands. I've actually been sanding drywall and stomping ceilings today. If you guys are a member and you've watched the members only video, you would know that we're building the other side of our house back after a fire 4 or 5 years ago. So if you want to know more details on that, join the race team. But I have a spy photo for you guys, just dropped today. I'm gonna put that on the screen now. It's our first really good still shot of the 2022 KTM Factory Edition 450, just sitting on a stand. It's a good photo. The bike looks cool. The shrouds, they were, I'll tell you guys, to me, they were quite a shock. The first time I saw them, and every time I see them now, they're just kind of starting to grow on me. Maybe it's just starting to normalize. They do stick out pretty far, but it doesn't really bother me, I'll be honest with you. Take a look at that Akrapovic exhaust. I don't know what they're doing there with that chamber above the head pipe, if they've got like a guard over it or what it is, but it looks pretty cool. Pumped because I've got my name down for a factory edition 450, so I will have that exhaust, or maybe just the slip-on. I can't remember if the factory edition comes with just the slip-on. Maybe somebody can correct me with that. But what do you guys think? Can you notice anything in this photo, changes they made? Obviously the bike's got more white, it's got an orange seat cover. I would assume this is gonna be the way the bike will come, you know, not with those forks, but as far as the look, that will be the way it comes when we see these hit dealers in February. So I'm pumped. I really do hope everything goes through with mine. I end up getting one. But yeah, please leave any comments down below. And told you guys, anytime news drops on these new KTMs, I'm gonna drop a video right now. Even if I have to stop doing drywall work and immediately shoot it on my front porch, I'm gonna get it up for you guys. So if you appreciate that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for being on my team. Rock on. I'll see you in the next video.